Hello everyone, in today's session we will learn about variables, data types, operators and some expressions in Python. So first of all, let's understand what is variable. So a variable is a memory location which is used to store a value. In Python, variables can be initialized without declaration. Based on the value of input data, type of variable will be automatically considered. That means you don't need to define the type of variable like int, float, string, etc. So every value in Python has a data type. Variables can be declared by any name or even alphabets. Next, to assign values to a variable, we will use equal to sign. Some rules for Python variables. A variable name must start with a letter or underscore character. Variable name cannot start with a number. It can contain only alphanumeric characters and underscores. Variable names are case sensitive in Python. So it's a main point here, like if you write small a or capital A, then both are different. Next, side by side I have opened Jupyter Notebook so that I will show you the practical of this part. So now understand Jupyter Notebook. So first of all, declare a variable with no value, like simply write x and just run it. So it will give you an error that x is not defined, because in Python to use a variable you have to initialize a value to that particular variable. Like if you write x equals to 10, then it will not give any error, and to print this value simply write x and run it, then you will get the output that is 10. For multiple variables, just write y equals to like 2.5. Simply want to print here like y and just run it, so it will print the value of y. One more thing, as I told that variables are case sensitive in Python, so you have to take care of it. Like if I write y, capital Y, and want to show the value, so it will show y is not defined, as earlier I have used small y and now I am using capital Y, so it will give you an error message that y is not defined. So next is, now we have understood variable declaration, how we declare a variable. Now let's quickly move on to various data types available in Python. So data types, what are data types in Python? In Python programming, the data can be maintained by variables. The type of the variable represents a value stored within the variable. Type inferencing is also allowed in Python. So journal keywords like int, float, etc. are not required for the variable declaration. Okay. So to check the value of particular variable, or you want to know the type of the variable, just write type or the variable name in brackets. So it will show you the data type of that particular variable. Like if you write type y and run it, then it will print float, as I have given 2.5 value in that particular variable. Okay, so coming to data types, there are basically 6 types of data types in Python. First one is your numbers, second is string, third one is your list, fourth one is your dictionary, fifth one is your tuple, and last not least is the set data type. So let's discuss one by one. First of all, numbers. What are numbers in Python? There are basically 3 numeric types in Python. First of all, int, float and complex. Let me show you an example. Like if you want to know the type of variable, instead of writing the name of variable, you can simply write the value also. It will give you the type of that variable, like type 12 integer. If you want to know the type of 12.8 and run it, it show the type that is float. Next, example of complex, let me show you. some 2 plus 5 like iota j. When you run it, it will give you complex data type. In same way, if you want to know the type of like boolean type, in boolean type we will use true and false value. So if you write type true and run it, T must be capital, that's why it is giving you error. Type true, now you run it, so it will give you bool data type. Okay, so for false you just have to write type F capital false, so it will give you bool type. Okay, similarly if you want to check the type of string data type, string values, so simply in Python for string values you will use single quotes or double quotes. So type in double quotes, if I write hello and run it, you will get str. For string type of values you will get str. Okay, so in single quote also you can pass the value of string, it will also run, so it will give you str data type. Okay, now next, here's the example of type that I show you here. Next one is your string data type. String data type is basically considered as an array in Python. So array index starts from 0. Index, what are index in programming, or what are index in array? Actually the starting value from where you start the values, like you want to store hello, so starting from 0 index is always start from 0 in array. And in Python as strings is just like considered as like arrays, so its indexing is just start from 0 and always 1 less than the total number of characters. Like for example, like I write hello simply world and I want to print it, then simply write a, you will get hello world. And by the index value, like if you want to get the value of index value at 0 position, just simply write a in brackets 0, it will print you h, because at 0th index the value is h. Then if you want another value, simply write like a6, indexing start from 0, so it will print w at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is space. See, if I print a5, then what it shows, simply blank, that means here's the space, 5th location पर जो है वो space है. So here it is. If you want to print array of characters, like multiple characters, like if you want to print like a starting from 2 index to 6 index, try this. So it will print HLLO, that means 0 इंडेक्स से स्टार्ट होगा और जो 6 इंडेक्स है वहाँ तक वो प्रिंट करेगा. ओके, सो 6 इंडेक्स तक इसने क्या किया, जो एक लेस था हमारे पास, 6 इंडेक्स तो बेसिकली W है, एक लेस देन, द वैल्यू मस्ट बी लेस देन दैट पर्टिकुलर दिस वैल्यू. ओके, सो वन मोर थिंग, लाइक इफ यू वांट टू प्रिंट a -1, try this. What it prints? The last character, that is D. So here's a good feature in Python that the values, if you want to print in reverse order, then you can start indexing from -1. -1 will print you the last character, -2 will print you the second last character, like this. -2 अगर हम try करें, so it will print L, because hello world था तो that is L. Okay, so here's a new thing in Python. Next, one more thing, more important thing in strings is that in Python the string data will be considered as an array, as I told you earlier. For string data we use two operators like plus and star. The plus represents the concatenation if you want to concat two values in string. then use plus, and if you want to repeat that particular value, then use star. Let me show you an example. If you write a single quote HA, like I have written here also the example, this one, plus concat I, and you simply print, just write that particular variable, then it will print you hi, HAI. Okay, hey. Then if you want to use the star operator, what it will do, see, just simply write the occurrences of this variable, like I want 2 times. Okay, so print a, then run it. What happens? It prints HA 2 times, that is haha. Again, if you want multiple, okay, multiple occurrences, like if I write 5 a and run it, then it will print 5 times HA. Okay, so next, move to next. I hope you will understand all this. Next data type is your list. List are different from tuples. अभी tuples हम लोग discuss करेंगे. What are tuples in Python? Actually, whole Python is based on all these data types. Okay, so these all are new in Python, and every data type offers many benefits. So we'll discuss these data types one by one. First of all, list. List does not have a fixed number of elements. Okay, a list does not have a fixed number of elements. That means इसमें जो भी values होंगी, that must not be that are not fixed. It uses square brackets. A main important thing in Python is that now you can, how you will understand what is list, what is tuple, what is dictionary, by the help of brackets. मेनली जो ब्रैकेट्स हैं, हम ब्रैकेट्स यूज़ करेंगे, उन्हीं की हेल्प से वी विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट, वेदर इट इज़ अ लिस्ट, वेदर इज इट अ टपल, वेदर इट इज़ अ सेट. ओके, सो चेंज ऑफ वैल्यूज इज़ अलाउड हेयर. Change of values is allowed here means कि if you want to change the value of particular index, then you can change that value. Okay, so let's see with an example. Okay, so if I write x equals to 4, 5, 6, simply if I print it, then simply print. Again, the concept of indexing follows here also. Like if you want to print the value at index 0, so just write x0, you will get the value of index value 4 at 0 index. If you write index value 2, then you will get 6. Again, if you want to the last value with the negative indexing, then you just write x minus 1, also print 6. Okay, so as I told, like change of values allowed here. So if you want to change a particular value at particular index, then just write and simply print x. Okay, and run it. Now see, I have updated that values. Firstly, before earlier 4, 5, 6 is there, now 10, 5, 6 is there.